Welcome to Solidworks tutorial. In this video we will discuss all about sketch relations. So let's start. So to add sketch relations to any entities, we need to select them. So first we will select this line, and you can see here is the option make horizontal and make vertical. So we will make vertical. Click on this make vertical. Now our line is vertical, and you can see this vertical sketch relations is added to this line. So now we will select this another line. This time we will make this line horizontal. We'll click on this make horizontal, and you can see this line is now horizontal and horizontal sketch relations is added. Now we will add the relations between the two lines. So we need to select the two line. We will press the control key and hold it and select this two line, and we'll add the collinear relationships now. So click on this collinear, and you can see this two line is now collinear. You can see both of the lines remains in the same line like this. So this is the collinear relations, and if you select this collinear relations, you can see these two lines is highlighted. This indicates this collinear relations is added between these two lines. Suppose if you want to delete this relation, we will select this relations and press the delete key on the keyboard, and our relationship is gone. We will add once more, make this vertical. Now we'll select this two line. This time I will select with the green box. Select this two line and make them parallel. So now this two line is parallel. You can see both of the line remains parallel. If we select this line and make horizontal, you can see the second line is automatically get horizontal because of this parallel relations. So we can add multiple relations to the single entities. Now we will select these two lines and make them equal. So we will click on this equal, and you can see these two lines are now equal. So this is equal sketch relations. Now we will go to this line. We will zoom to area to this area. Now we will select these two line and add the perpendicular relationships. You can see now we will select this two line and add the perpendicular relations again. So as you can see, these two lines are now perpendicular to each other, and it will remain perpendicular. Now if you want to make these two lines equal, we will select this line and add the equal sketch relations, and these two lines are now equal. So you can see these two lines are now equal like this. You can see. If you want to make these two lines also equal, we can add the equal relations here also. So now if we change this, you can see all the three lines remains equal. So let's go to this area. Now we will add the relations between one point and the line. So first of all, we will go to this line. So you can see the point symbol on our cursor. So we'll select this point, press Ctrl and select this line, and this time we will add the coincident relationship. So this will connect the both of the line. You can see this line is now connected with the bottom line. Now this time we will select this point and this line and add the midpoint relations. So now this line is attached to the midpoint of this line. As you can see, if we change this length, it will remains in the center of this line. So this is the midpoint relations. You can see. Now we will add the relationships between the two circles. So we select this circle and make them concentric, So it will bring both of the circle on the same center, and you can see there is a concentric symbol over here. Now we will select this circle and make them equal. So you can see both of the circle are now equal. Now we will select this circle and this center line, and we can add now symmetric relations. We'll select this and make symmetric. So now if we move this circle, you can see another circle is also moved like this, you can see, and remain symmetric about this center line. So this is symmetric relationships. Without symmetric relations, it will look like this. If we move this circle, it only moves the single circle, you can see. And if we add the symmetric, we can make this in the symmetric manner like this, you can see. Now we will add the relationship between this circle and this line. We will select both of them and then make them tangents, you can see. Now this line is tangent to this circle, so you can see this line remain tangent to circle. So this is tangent relations. Now we'll make those relations between the point of this line and this circle. We'll select this circle and make them coincident. So it will now coincident to this circle, you can see. This remain connected to the circle, and we go back with Ctrl Z, and this time we will select this point and this circle, and this time we will make them concentric. So this point become the center of this circle, like you can see. Now this point remains on the center of the circle, you can see. Now we will add the relationships between the 2 points. Select this point, and we will make them vertical. So it will bring these 2 points in the vertical line, you can see. Both remains in the vertical line. Same way we will select this point, and this time we will make them horizontal. So you can see both of the points remains horizontal, and we will select this point and make them horizontal too. So you can see both of the remains horizontal, and this is vertical. So this way we can also add the relations to the point. If we select these 2 points and add the coincident, it will merge these 2 points in single point. So this is the all about sketch relationships. We will use these sketch relations in our design and in our regular work lots of. So that's why I make the dedicated video to sketch relations. It is more important. And one more thing, if we want to disable this sketch relations from sketch, we go to this eye icon and click on this view sketch relations, and our sketch relationships is now gone. It is not deleted, it is simply hidden from us. We can't see the sketch relations symbol on our sketch entities. Sometimes in the smallest and very dense sketch, if we can't see the sketch entities properly, we can do this. And to bring the sketch relations back, we click on this view sketch relations, and our sketch relations is come back. So now we can see the symbols of the sketch relations in green box. So this is all about sketch relations. Thanks for watching.